Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can add a text to your Wix website with a gradient background color in 2026. So let us dive into this. So guys, what you want to do is navigate to the page you'd like to edit inside your Wix website. I will go with that example page here, the About Us page of that example website. And for this method, you will need to add a text mask to your page. So navigate to the section first, click into this Add Element button in the top left, hover your mouse over text and select Text Mask. And select one of these with the gradient example. Let me go with this one here, drag it onto your section. Here, for example, release your left mouse. And now you can customize that gradient effect. For example, by clicking into a design here. So you will see the gradient setup, the default setup here. Of course, you can change the fill color or the opacity, but I will go with the gradient setting here. So click into gradient, select the color gradient box here, and now select your gradient type, like for example, linear, radial, or this one here, I will go with linear. You can select or customize the angle by moving that handle on that circle, and you may also add more colors to the gradient. For example, currently there are two colors, that blue and the orange one. So let me add a third one. I will move the orange one more to the middle so that it becomes more dominant, and here to the right we will place a third color. You will see the cursor changing its shape, or with that plus button, click into it. That is going to add color number 3. Now, of course, you need to choose a color from that menu here. You can go with theme colors, for example, or my colors. Click into add here and add more colors to that menu. I will go with, just for the sake of the tutorial, with green. And that's basically it. After that, you may, for example, delete the color of one of these, or click into these 3 dots here for that option. Or you may also adjust the opacity for each color by clicking into it. And that's it. Now, as you can see, that's the gradient color for that text. And that's how it works in practice, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.